Are you ready to embark on an exciting journey to Slovakia? Join us in this step-by-step guide on how to relocate to Slovakia and secure a free work permit. Discover the hidden gem of Central Europe and take advantage of the labor shortage in various sectors. Do not miss out on this amazing opportunity. The link to the website is in the description box. And if you find this video helpful, kindly like, share and subscribe to our channel to get more updates on job prospects.
Welcome to Alex Connect Global Services.
Once you click on the link, it will direct you down to this page. You go down to see the top employers that are currently hiring in Slovakia. We have lots of companies, so there are lots of companies you can definitely choose and then you apply to those companies. So let's check out this Tesco. It has 94 job offers at the moment. So you click on this company. Once you click on the company, it will bring you down to this page. It will bring you down to this page to see the positions that are available at Tesco. So these are the positions that are available. They have salesman, administrative worker, cleaning lady, project manager. So let's check out this salesman. It has 54 openings. So you click on salesman. Once you click on salesman, it will list all the salesman openings that are currently available in Tesco. So they have customer sales assistant, they have foreman, they have assistant baker, customer sales representative. So this 1 to 20 means you have over 18 pages to check for about the salesmen. You know, I said it earlier that they have 54 openings, so you have lots of options you can choose from. So let's check out this customer sales assistant. So you click on it. Once you click on it, it will bring you down to the page where you are going to read everything about the job. You're going to read everything about the job and the company you want to apply to. And please don't forget to always translate your page so you can read and understand everything written there. So this is the location of the work. This is the type of employment. It's a full-time job. The wage conditions, 1,250 euro per month plus surcharges for Saturdays and Sundays. An employee card with which you can save up to 1,100 euro per year on purchases at Tesco. This, as a sales assistant, these are the things you are going to be doing in Tesco. So you serve customer at the cash desk, replenish goods, check the availability and quality of goods, check expiration date, label goods with correct price tag, receive and store goods, carry out ongoing inventories, participate in the reconstruction of plants, promotion and season, operate counter sales, pre-baking / baking bakery, pick and prepare goods ordered by customer, perform cleaning and tidying of your workplace. These are the benefits you are going to get working with Tesco. These are the benefits. You can see they have lots of benefits. So you make sure you read through everything. So applicants that can apply for this position are the ones with basic education, high school without high school diploma or high school with high school diploma. The position is suitable for a graduate. These are the personal prerequisites and skills you should have if you want to work as a salesperson in Tesco. You enjoy working with people and the willingness to help is not foreign to you. You do not mind working in shifts and on weekends. You like working in a team and a friendly atmosphere is important to you. You are ready to roll up your sleeves and help your colleagues on the sales floor. You are interested in dynamic retail environment. Brief description of the company. Before you can apply for a job in a particular company, at least you should know little about the company you want to apply to. So this is what you should know about Tesco. You read through it. And these are the awards they've received in the past year. Best employer, they received it in 2023. Most trusted brand 2023. Roma Spirit 2022. VI Bonus Slovakia 2023. This is the name of the employer that wants to hire you. This is the name of the employer. So you've read through everything and you are okay with the benefit, the offer, everything they want to offer you, the salary, the benefit, you are okay with everything. Then you click on respond to offer. Once you click on respond to offer, it will bring you down to this page. This is where you fill in your details, the application form. So here you attach your CV, your contact details here, your name, your surname, your country's phone number, your home country phone number, your email address, your home country and your region. The default question: working in a store requires a combination of activities in different departments: cash register area, sales area, bakery, delivery and administrative activities, and you also work with cash. If you are okay with all of this, then you click on yes. Work shifts are distributed unevenly: morning, afternoon and intermediate shifts, including weekends. Are you satisfied with working hours distributed in this way? If you are satisfied, you click yes or no. So the answer depends on you. Which days of the week can you work, including weekends? This answer also depends on you, how you want them to rotate the work for you. The days you know you are available, you can work, so you put it here. Have you worked, are you currently working at Tesco? If you are, you click on yes. But since you are not in Slovakia currently and you are not working in Tesco, your answer should be no. So this is everything. Read this. By sending your CV, cover letter or other attachments, you acknowledge that the company Tesco has with registered office at this. So you read everything. That means you are giving consent to your personal data. You are giving consent to Tesco to go through your personal data before they can hire you, because they have to review your personal data to know if you are perfect for the job or not. So once you are done with all of that, you click on this and this also. I hereby declare that I have familiarized myself with the content of the text. That is the information on the processing of personal data during selection process. Once you are done with this application form, you click on react. This react also means submit. Once you click on it, then your application form has been submitted to the company's email. So that is all about this company. Very simple as that. Thank you.
For more information, or if you need help in applying for your study or work permit, send us an email at teamalexconnect@gmail.com or contact us on WhatsApp at +1 781 975 8914.